Want to save time and money while also maintaining good deliverability? List cleaning is the solution. In this video, you'll learn what list cleaning is and how to implement it. List cleaning is the process of identifying unengaged contacts in your list and excluding them from the majority of your email sends. Think about it like this. Let's say you're getting ready to design and mail custom holiday cards to friends and family. Each card costs time and money to make and deliver, so you first comb through your list of contacts. You identify a few people that you haven't spoken to in many years, who have never responded to your previous holiday cards. You decide to exclude them from your send list and prioritize the contacts who are most likely to enjoy receiving your card. This choice also saves you time and money. If you're finding this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any future content like this. Cleaning your email list is a similar process. If you continuously send emails to contacts who are not engaging with your content, there may be ramifications that will hurt your deliverability and sender reputation. Inbox providers monitor how your recipients engage with your emails, and if they notice that you continue to send to unengaged recipients, they may start marking your emails as spam or even blocking them. List cleaning also helps you continuously retain and engage subscribers who are truly invested in your brand. However, it's important to note that there are a few instances where you'd want to message your unengaged contacts. For example, you may want to send your entire list large-scale business-wide announcements, like an important product launch or a huge holiday sale. You may also target unengaged contacts via flow messages, triggered by specific actions they've taken. So, now that you know why you should clean your list, how do you do it? The process comes down to two simple steps. First, creating a segment of unengaged email contacts. And second, excluding this segment from the majority of your email sends. To create an unengaged segment, it's recommended to use the following conditions. If someone can receive email marketing, and received email is at least 5 in the last 180 days, and opened email 0 times over all time, and clicked email 0 times over all time. You can customize these conditions to align with how you define engagement for your brand. When selecting your email recipients, you can exclude your unengaged segment from receiving the campaign. When we talk about list cleaning, it's important to differentiate this process from active profile management. Active profile management is the process of suppressing contacts from your list who have been inactive for a sustained period of time. While your unengaged segment solely focuses on customer engagement with your marketing messages, our inactivity segment spans any interaction with your brand, including purchasing from you or visiting your website. These subscribers will likely never bring in more revenue, so keeping them in your Klaviyo account is just costing you money with no return. And there you have it. You're now armed with the knowledge of how to clean your subscriber list. Once you get going, you'll be on track for maximizing your ROI and protecting your deliverability. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe, and check out the description for more resources to help you learn and grow with Klaviyo.